Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, September the 4th, 2012. Well, a change of trend back to the downside today, and a candle with a lower high and a lower low. A small black body candle, and in contrast to the previous day's trading, we had a white body candle where the sellers made the buyers made net bullish progress. Today the sellers have made net bearish progress, but they've only made a fairly small amount of net bearish progress anyway. We have actually seen the buyers take control of this market for the trading day by closing up towards the high and certainly well above the midpoint level, as opposed to the previous day where we closed around the midpoint level and neither side had control. And that in itself does suggest that there is potential for a change of trend back to the upside. So a day where we've had a change of trend to the downside, but the buyers took control throughout the trading day. We also have this very large shadow on the bottom of the candle, and that suggests that there's been very strong price rejection from the round number 1400. And the sellers have lost commitment down below that area, and I've highlighted very often how important this 1400 number and the area around it is very strong support for this market. We can see here how many times the market has tested either to or just below that area, and we've seen rejection to the upside from there. So moving forward, 1400 is crucial to this market. We also have very strong potential support just below there in the 1390 level at this swing high, and it also coincides now with the area that the Kijun-sen is trading at. Now with the Fibonacci extension, what we're examining here now that the market is trending down, we're looking at the relationship of the current first time frame downtrend to the previous time the market was trending down, and here we see price rejection from the 100% level, and that does set the market up for a potential change of trend. And also with the Fibonacci retracement, now these are only one candle trend to the upside, and now the retracement back down to the downside and rejection from the 100% level. So we haven't really seen much development of the previous trend to the upside, but certainly the rejection from the 100% level has been quite strong and does suggest that there is potential for a change of trend. Now obviously what we should be doing if we consider that there is potential for a change of trend is watching the high of the current candle for a potential higher high and higher low. If we do see that, besides the very strong support that we have down below 1400, we also have strong resistance extending up to the 1415 level, and in the recent past we can see that the market has attempted to trade up to that level and there's been rejection from that area. So we have a market that's basically trading sideways here with very strong resistance overhead but very strong support down below. Now in terms of Ichimoku, we have a bullish market in the higher time frames and the longer time frame by trading above the cloud, and in the medium term time frame by trading above the Kijun-sen, the pink line here. So we're bullish in those time frames, but remaining just bearish in the short term time frame by trading below the Tenkan-sen, and we have been trading below the Tenkan-sen for quite some time, and the Tenkan-sen is very important to this market as well as resistance, because we've seen the market now test on nearly every single day for the past week or more and be rejected from that area. So moving forward, that will be a very important area of resistance. In terms of the Kijun-sen indicator, that has turned flat, and that may be important to this market. It does suggest that the market may retrace back towards there. We saw it turn flat today and the market attempt to retrace. There is a possibility that we could see the market test even further down below the 1400 if we do see the trend continue, but certainly the area around this 1390 and where the Kijun-sen is trading now should hold as very, very strong support for this market. So moving forward, a bullish market in longer time frames. There is potential for the market to test back down to around the 1390 level if we do see bearishness below 1400. But for the short-term dynamics for the trading day, we've seen strong rejection once again from 1400, with a trading day where the buyers took control, not terribly strong control, but they did take control of the market, and it does set the market up for a potential change of trend if the buyers can maintain some momentum and take out the resistance offered around the Tenkan-sen, which is trading around 1405, 1406, and then a possibility for the market to trade up to 1415.